All right, guys. Next up, we got Bob here. He's going to do box of 2016 Leaf Plates Hockey and then 2016 Lumber Kings. Did one of these yesterday. It was actually pretty darn cool. Good luck to you, sir. All right, our first plate. And it is Gabriel Gagne, Epic Materials, Genesis. Next up, Clark Gillies, Enforcers patch. Mario Lemieux. That is from In the Game 2016. Heroes and Prospects. Gilmore and Gilmore. Gilmore Boys. And four-way goalie piece. Cheevers, Esposito, Perrant, and Smith. That one is from In the Game 2016. All right, Lumber Kings. That's a cool looking piece. Original Sticks. Start off with Alan Stanley, 1 of 4. Twig Sticks. Look at this. 1 of 3, John Van Beesbrock. 2-piece stick with ink. Wish it was signed on card. It's signed on the sticker. 1 of 3 there. Some good names. Duel. Gretzky and Hull, 5 of 10. Blade to Blade. And we are going to finish with a 1 of 1. Very cool. Game Use Stick, Eric Lindros. I wish his nameplate would have been on there. That's a cool piece though, man. 1 of 1 Lindros. All right, Bob. Appreciate it as always, man. Hope you enjoyed the break. I'll get it packed up, shipped out ASAP.